Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna see a next topic in AngularJS, that is dependency management. So in last video we have seen what is a package.json. Now we are gonna see that how you can install the different packages for the AngularJS project. So we'll be covering the dependencies and dev dependencies, and then we'll see a couple of command, and you will also see that how manually you can edit the package.json file. So first we'll go through the dependencies tag. So dependencies tag looks like this one. This is the dependencies tag. So this is having the dependencies listed, which are the nothing but the npm packages which are required by your application to run in a production. So all will go under the dependencies, and then next one is a dev dependency. So dev dependency would be here, and these are nothing but again the npm packages which are getting used during the development and testing phase of your application. So how to use them, we'll see that there are two commands. One is npm install package name, and you can use a hyphen save hyphen prod for installing the dependencies, and for installing the dev dependencies you can use npm install package name, then dash dash save, then dash dev, then it will get saved under the dev dependency. So we'll see it practically. So I'm inside the dev dependency project, then I will type npm install, then I will download the one dependency called grunt. Okay, and if I haven't used the save uh, prod, this one, then it will, if I used it or if I don't use it, the dependencies will get added into the dependencies. So I'm just pressing enter. So immediately it has started downloading the dependency from the internet as a npm package. And if you see, the grunt got added with the version, and if you go to the node modules, you can see that grunt package is got added into the dependencies. So we'll see it here, g, then if you see, the grunt got added, and if you see the package.json, the version is a 1.1.0, that is this version. So I'm again installing the grunt with just adding the save, then dev. Okay, so if I click enter, it will again download that dependency, but the difference is that it will just add it under the dev dependencies. So according to your need, you can decide that whether you want this dependency only while development, or you will it required into the even into the production. So if I go to the dev dependencies, you can see that grunt is also got added. Okay, so I will show you. Right now I'm just deleting it, the dependencies which we have added just. Okay, I'm just saving the application. Okay, and if you see that the next one I have shown you that manually editing the package.json file. So what we'll do, we'll just add the grunt dependency here. Okay, at last, double colon grunt. Okay, and version you have seen. So in, if you want to see the versions which is the latest version, you can go to the npmjs.com and you can search there grunt. Once you will search, it has shown you that the 1.1.0 is got published, so you can use that version here in double quotes. Okay, so this I have used as a version. So once I have edited the package.json, you have to type npm install. Okay, so what npm install will do, it will check for the newly added packages into this package.json, and it will download it from the internet for you. So after npm dot install, if you see that it has added a couple of dependencies here, and then it has also downloaded a grunt package as well for you into the dependencies. So if I go to the node.modules again, I'm just refreshing it once again. I'm going to the node.modules, and if I scroll down, you can see that grunt has got downloaded with the version .1.1.0. So again I will manually edit it for a different version, that is 1.0.4. Okay, So I have editing this file. I don't want this version. So what I will do, I will go to the package.json and I will just change a version here. Okay. And for getting it downloaded, again, I am do the npm install. Okay. So npm install command will again download the dependencies into the node.modules package. Okay. So here it has again downloaded the couple of dependencies for us. Then I'm going to the node modules folder once again. Okay. I'm just refreshing the project, then going into the node modules. And if you see here, grunt is got downloaded, and let's see the version of the grunt. You see that 1.0.4 is got downloaded. So these are the two ways you can directly manually edit the dependencies, or you can use the command. So this is how you can add the different dependencies in your package.json, and you can use them for your development. So thank you so much for listening my video. Do subscribe to my channel for getting more updates on the AngularJS video. So thank you so much.